Hey everybody, my name's Falco. I'm going to teach you a fun one today. Feeble grind, transfer over a spine. Learning these two tricks first will really help you. Now that you have the feeble stall and fakie Smith, you're going to want to try feeble stall over a spine. I'll show you how to do it. You've got the feeble stall transfer. You're ready. Approach it just like a feeble stall transfer, except at more of an angle. Lock into that feeble grind. Grind as far as you can. While you're grinding, start leaning over the other side, and when you're ready, pull into the other side. That's it. If you get really good at the feeble grind transfers, you can try feeble grind frontside revert and feeble grind backside revert. Okay, thanks for watching.